Stick her off for that one, but that's definitely on the set. We're gonna do another oldie for you. You ready? No. And here they go. Here they go. Here they go. Here they go. When you were a child, you were really kind, but you never brought out right. You always fall with 1,000 points, but still you find all right. Your mother tax. Your father's still infected ways and babies they wax. You better stop. Look around. Well, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. We're gonna knock the earth right now. Thank you very much. How's everyone doing? Yeah, welcome to the Wheel Club, yes, sir. You want to say something?
Yeah. Eric. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you so much. What a great crowd. We love being back here at the Wheel Club. Sydney Turner is probably going to show off the warrior that she is, but she is watching on the monitor. Sydney, we love you. Is she here?
She is.
Oh, yeah. What a stubborn ox. I love you. Oh, yeah. We're going to bring you back. We're a Rolling Stones tribute band, obviously. We'll bring you back to the 60s and 70s, where life made sense or something. You ready for an oldie? We're going to get you guys dancing, birthday girl. There's many birthdays tonight. Oh yeah. I'm not the only one that's up here. Come on, baby.
What she's doing, yeah, baby. She's good, she's on the ground. Oh, it's alright. On the ground, Siamese cat. On the ground, she's the sweetest. Where's that baby? What's it on? She's looking to the other way. She just goes, she's out of my love. I tell it, it's alright. Work it. She's the got it ready. She's good. She's under my thumb. It's alright. Look at sugar. I'm the father. I just can't to myself. I'm the father. Well, I guess still it's somebody. It's like that. I know, yeah. The way she dies when she's looking to die is a thing. It's down low. I'm the father. Baby, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Take it easy.
I like the way you're shaking your tush. I'm talking to you, sir.